Hey guys, it's Dirt Bear. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. We're here for the next unboxing. Let's open the box. Couldn't have gotten here without you guys. Hey, make these things pretty complicated to get into, huh? Got the special edition here today, so you know Sony's gonna put a lot of games in these packages, you know. Oh shit. We got the new NHL, guys. That's oh my god. Oh, I heard this is a game that people are looking forward to a lot. This is Frogger. Guys, we got the new Gears of War. It's a pretty good game, I heard. You know, Sony's putting a lot of things in here to let you buy. Oh, FIFA, guys. This is the special edition for. I think I feel the controller, guys. Oh, would you look at that? That's very nice. It's very nice controllers, better than some of the other controllers I have. Guys, here comes the main piece. Alright guys, so here's the basic parts of it. This is the game insertion, you know. And this is what you plug into your TV. That's good. This is to, like, you know, put the games in. So you... Oh, alright guys. So I have some games here already. So as you can see, I have H1Z1, God of War and Brawlhalla, GTA 5, Rayman, Fortnite, Minecraft. This thing is called Share Factory. As you can see, I'm ready to game. Oh, this Share Factory thing lets me record my voice? Huh. Even lets me add music.